Tropical rainforests like the Amazon and the Congo are famous for their sheer number of species. But what if the most important areas to protect aren't the ones with the most species, but the ones with the most unique species? Building on years of work measuring how biological communities differ across space, researchers from Spain asked how these patterns could guide urgent conservation efforts. They studied more than 30,000 vertebrate species, including mammals, birds, reptiles, and amphibians, and mapped where the most unique evolutionary lineages are found. Instead of just calculating an average level of uniqueness, they looked at how uniqueness changes with distance. This helped them identify communities that are truly irreplaceable. They found two kinds of areas: evolutionary hills, which are unique compared to the rest of the world but similar to nearby places, and evolutionary islands, which are unique even when compared to their closest neighbors. These islands, found in regions like Madagascar, Central America, and Southeast Asia, are home to species with no close relatives. If lost, these species would take entire branches of the evolutionary tree with them. The study also showed that phylogenetic endemism, a measure of how rare evolutionary lineages are, is the best single tool for identifying high-value areas for protection. As the world works towards protecting 30% of land by 2030, this approach offers a sharper lens for identifying the most impactful places to start, those that preserve not just life, but its deepest evolutionary stories.